Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the battery replacement process for your Lenovo Yoga S730, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged from any power source. Begin by flipping the laptop over to expose the back panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back cover. There are typically 8 screws, so make sure to keep them organized. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to damage the clips holding it in place. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. Before disconnecting the battery, it's crucial to ensure that no residual power remains. For a safer approach, disconnect the power adapter and press the power button for about 15 seconds to discharge any remaining power. Once the power is discharged, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. You can use the tweezers to help if the connector is tight. Now, remove any screws securing the battery in place. Typically, there are 2 or 3 screws. After removing the screws, carefully lift the battery out of the compartment. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the area around the battery compartment. Dust and debris can accumulate, potentially affecting performance. A can of compressed air is ideal for this task. Now, grab your new battery. If you don't have one yet or are unsure about which battery to purchase, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, helping you choose the right part. Place the new battery into the compartment and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. If you find it difficult to do this step, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Once everything is secured, replace the back cover and reinsert the screws to secure it. Make sure all screws are tightened appropriately, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the casing. Finally, turn your laptop over, plug it in, and power it on. If your laptop does not start, double-check the connections and ensure that the battery is properly installed. For those who prefer not to tackle this task themselves, we offer a quote before repair, allowing you to know the cost up front. No calls, no travel, just a simple and straightforward service at your convenience. By following these steps, you have successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo Yoga S730. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacements can significantly extend the lifespan of your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.